Hello everyone, welcome to Protechnoid. So in this video we'll see how to enable developer options on Android. So you can use this tutorial to turn on developer options on any Android devices. So first go to your settings and scroll down and go inside this about phone and scroll down to the bottom and click and continue clicking on build number. So you should see a message showing that you are now 3 steps away from being a developer. So to 1. So now if it asks for any phone password, just enter your phone password. I'm entering my pin. So you are now a developer. Now go back to the settings menu and click on system. Now you can see developer options here. So this is how we can enable developer options on Android. So if you want to turn off the developer options, all you need to do is just click on this developer options and just tap on the use developer options here, and when you go back the developer options will be removed. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.